Hey guys, Andrew here from Fairweather Farm, and it's going to be just like a part two of the bit about the drainage in the greenhouse because I realized I forgot to cover a few points. So, first thing is that, okay, I dug a trench at 1 foot depth, but there's actually a slight slope, much more slight than that, slope on the trench so that the water drains from one end of the greenhouse to the other. And so that's one thing. So you want to create a gradual incline in the slope that you're digging. If you're doing with an excavator, it's obviously a lot easier, and ideally this would be done with a laser level. The other thing is that I checked the depth of the rototiller next to it, and there's no way that it's going to damage the drain tile with a 12-inch depth, and the drain tile is only 5-inch, so I got 7 inches, and I'm only getting maybe 4 or 5 inches max on the rototiller, if not more like 3-4 inches. So I'm not worried at all about damaging the pipe by tilling over it. So that's pretty much it for now. If I think of anything else on drain tiles, maybe there'll be a part 3, but until then, stay tuned. Thanks guys.